Some days you have food stuff at home, but what to combine and give the kids? You know, being a mom is not a day job, and being a babe is not an easy one at all. When you have a whole lot of army around you, thinking of what to eat, all depends on you. Me as I am now, I don't even know what to call this food. Whichever way, whatever it's called, let's make it together, guys.
First thing is to peel your yam. Cut in different shapes you may want. I prefer you cut them in square shapes. That will give it a nicer look. You know, they say the eyes eat before the mouth, so we have to achieve that cooking this. I was done peeling and cutting the yam and then transfer into my sieve, add a little salt. If you are a BP patient or you don't like too much salt, please skip that. A clean pan or pot, go in with your vegetable oil. When it's hot, go in with your yam. I first of all fry the yam for 2 to 3 minutes before adding water. Adding water will make it crispy on the outside and well boiled on the inside. I did that for all the yam for the day and make sure they are all well fried using this method. Mind you, if you don't want your yam to be very crispy outside, skip the water part. As a fast cook I did this while the yam was frying, so we have to prep other things alongside. This chopper makes my work easy in the kitchen. Here now the yam is ready. Into a different pot or pan, you go in with vegetable oil and then fry some eggs already mixed with some onions and pepper. I scrambled it. Of course, the aim is not to make it come together as per. I'm not serving only egg. I scrambled it all like this until the egg was well fried. As soon as egg was well fried, I have to take them off to enable me use the same pan for the continuation of the cooking. And of course, the egg has dried up the vegetable oil I used earlier, so I added some more vegetable oil, going with my cut or chopped onions. Some people call it diced, some people call it cut onions. What do you call it? I sauteed that for 2 to 3 minutes. Allow the onions to infuse into my vegetable oil. And then I went in with my already chopped pepper mix. For the chopped pepper mix, I used habanero pepper, shombo, and onions chopped together, and then went in with my spices. As you can see, of course, you can use spices of your choice. If you're watching up to this moment and you've not subscribed or followed me on any of my channels, please don't forget to do so. It's one meat that everybody likes, but I really don't know what it's called. Do you know the name? Can you tell me in the comment section so I know what to type? As soon as my vegetables were fried, or rather my pepper mix was fried, I went in with some carrots and then went in with my already fried yam. I have to turn this to properly combined and of course let it make sense together. Give this a good mix, and of course you know you are going to eat food. Give it a good mix. Next thing I did was to transfer the egg into it. This is so yummy because of this egg. It's so tasty. Add in some green vegetables which were fresh green pepper and some spring onions just to make it colorful. You know, they say the eyes eat fresh. So my friend, do you know that food is ready as it is now? Isn't this awesome? You are thinking of what to eat and you have yam around, make this. I say make this. You won't regret making this for everyone at all. Even the kids so enjoyed it, and you know they like anything that has egg. Of course, this adult is NASCAR. Me too, I'm someone's baby and I enjoyed it so much. Let me trying this. Let me know in the comment section. Is there any other Nigerian food you want me to showcase on my channel or my page? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Until then, eat healthy and take care of your body. That's the only place you have to live in. Bye.